Okay, we're here to talk about the flight controls of the X2. This is my small X2 demonstration model. Okay, now I have conventional ailerons and elevator control. Notice that the elevator and the ailerons are independent of each other. For glide trim, I can also use the ailerons to adjust glide trim. And if you notice, I still have full aileron control with the glide trim, separate elevator control. So again, there's the glide trim. I can mix the ailerons in with the elevator, and that's what I'm going to do now, where when I move the flight controls, you can see that as I move the elevator, the ailerons are moving with it, which gives me what I call pitch boost control, or more authority in pitch should I want it, because the elevators are very small that I'm using. Also, as I do this, as I have that pitch boost mode, notice that I still have full aileron control even as I move the elevator. So I have the ailerons and the elevator moved together. Today, for the first time, we're going to try the Eagle Tree Guardian system. Right now, the Guardian system is turned off, and I'll put everything back in the normal mode. And again, notice I have conventional elevator and ailerons. If I go to the 2D mode in the Guardian, when I pick the airplane up, notice as I pick the airplane up and as I roll it, the ailerons automatically correct any change in attitude. If I'm rolled to the right, as I move the nose down, notice that the ailerons go neutral. As I go to the left, it automatically corrects to bring the thing to the right. That is for auto stability. In addition to that, I can go into the 3D mode, and in the 3D mode, it's only going to counteract anything that I've done. So if I start level and I roll, you can see again that it's going to try and roll it level. But again, if I move the stick and let it go, it resets them to neutral. Now if I roll level, again, you can see the displace. If I hit the stick again, it neutralizes. Basically, with the 3D mode, is it'll help the airplane hold any attitude that I put the airplane in. So if I put it into a bank, and now it tries to level it, it's going to try and put it back into the bank in the 3D mode. In the 2D mode, if I go back to 2D mode and I'm in a bank, now it's going to try and level the airplane back to straight level flight. So that is a summary of the flight controls of the small X2 test model.